The Oppo A58 is just over a month old, and the brand has already released another variation dubbed Oppo A58X. The differences between the two devices are few and boil down to the camera and charging speed. The new A58X brings a 13MP main camera on its back, and while it has the same 5000 mAh battery capacity, the charging speeds are limited to just 10W compared to 33W on the A58. The rest of the spec sheet is identical across both devices, with a 6.56-inch LCD of HD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone also brings a Dimensity 700 chipset paired with 6/8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The software side is covered by ColorOS 12.1 on top of Android 12. Oppo A58X is offered in black, blue and purple and costs 1,200 Chinese yuan, $173, and is available for pre-bookings via Oppo's Build OS, Android 13 OS, UI, ColorOS 13.1. Dimensions: 165.7 by 76 by 8.0 mm weight. 192G, SIM. Dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors: glowing black, dazzling green. Frequency: 2G band. SIM1 GSM 850/900/1800/1900. SIM2 GSM 850/900/1800/1900. 3G band, STPA 850/900/2100. 4G band. LTE band 1, 2100, 3, 1800, 5, 850, 8, 900, 38, 2600, 39, 1900, 40, 2300, 41, 2500. Processor: CPU. Octa-core, 2x2.0 GHz Cortex A75 plus 6x 1.8 GHz Cortex A55. Chipset: MediaTek MT6769 Helio G85, 12 nanometers. GPU: Mali G52 MC2. Display technology: IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors, multi-touch. Size: 6.72 inches. Resolution: 1080 by 2400 pixels, 392 ppi. Extra features: 550 nits, TYP, 680 nits, HBM.